Wrap 10 turns of Teflon tape around each of the two S unions. This is crucial to prevent leaks. Thread the connectors into the pre-installed wall pipes and tighten them with a wrench. Use a spirit level to make sure both connectors are perfectly level. Align the faucet body with the connectors and start tightening the nuts by hand first. Once they're hand tight, wrap a towel around your wrench to finish tightening. The towel acts as a buffer to prevent the wrench from scratching the finish. Apply moderate pressure only. Over-tightening can crush the washers, which will actually cause leaks. Give it a gentle tug to make sure it's secure. Slide the bracket onto the straight pipe. The internal threads should face down, and the external threads should face up. Connect the middle adapter to the straight pipe. Then insert the screw head into the L-shaped upper pipe. Firmly push the L pipe into the straight pipe. And secure them using the screw and adapter. Now, insert the entire rail assembly into the faucet body. Slide the wall mount onto the adapter and hold it against the wall to determine exactly where to drill, and mark the outer circle. You can now remove the pipe to give yourself more room to drill. Mark your drill points on the wall. We're drilling this hole to secure the wall mount. Use a drill to make a hole. Insert the wall anchors and tap them flush with the hammer. Put the screws through the base and drive them into the anchors to secure the mount to the wall. Reattach the rail assembly to the faucet body. Insert the adapter into the wall mount and secure it using a hex screwdriver. Connect the rain shower head to the L pipe. Tighten it and level it out. One end of the hose connects to the body and the other to the handheld shower. Connect the handheld head first, then sit it in the bracket. Thread the other end onto the faucet body and tighten. Again, you can use a cloth with your wrench to avoid scratches. And that's it. Your shower set is now fully installed.